Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be unboxing the My Creative Scrapbook April 2025 main kit. This kit is loaded with product. Now if you're interested in the My Creative Scrapbook subscription, I will have links listed down below in the description box. All right, let's go ahead and jump in and get started. This month, the kit is filled with lots of Carta Sweet Garden. So you can see here you receive an ephemera pack full of the frames and tags. I'm going to set this aside and unbox this in a moment. You always receive a pre-cut cut file, and this one says Beautiful Moments, so pretty. This month we received a stencil, and this is a beautiful stencil with lots of vines, perfect for all your spring layouts. Here is a look at the Sweet Garden chipboard words and phrases, the story of you and me, sunshine, the only perfect life is the one you live, a day to remember, a perfectly delightful day, bloomed, the story begins, and lots more that I didn't mention. We receive a pack of foam stickers. Now these are from Simple Stories, and these are the Simple Vintage Spring Garden. Couple that stick out to me are beautiful, lovely, today, spring. We have new day, happy, springtime, smile. Oh, these are just gorgeous, and these match the kit perfectly. Here is a look at the Carta Secret Garden element stickers, and I see the bunny there in the center. Unforgettable. There's some florals, there's some birds, there's some gates. I see another one, loving this life, and lots of the bright, pretty spring colors. I love the little tag stickers at the top. Those are really pretty. So you can see you get lots and lots of stickers. Now we're going to jump into the Secret Garden papers. This is my favorite. This is called the 4x4 journaling cards, but it has all these keys on the front, and I just got a new house, so I'm really excited about this one. But there are journaling cards on the back, and you can see here, I really like the one, Our Story Begins Today, a lifetime of memories, happiness, little moments. So these are nice. The next sheet here is called the 3x4 journaling cards. This pink stripe on one side. Then we have, these are such beautiful moments. If you have a garden and a library, you have everything you need. If I'm honest, I have to tell you, I still read fairy tales and I like them best of all. You belong among the flowers. We've got the story of you and me. Look at the magic all around you. The only perfect life is the one that you live. And so many more. This sheet is a beautiful teal, and it's called Garden Critters. Can you see the little design on this sheet? And then on this side, you see we've got some little bunnies and birds and squirrels and fountains and mushrooms and florals. Perfect for spring. This sheet is called Fairy Tale Books, and it's got a design on it. Really, it's faint, but really pretty. And then on the back, we've got all these books to document your fairy tales. This next sheet, this green, is called Magical Stems. And I love this pattern. And then on the back, you can see we have lots of pretty florals. This yellow sheet is called Butterfly Beauty, and it also has a little pattern in it. And then on the back, as you can imagine, there's lots and lots of pretty butterflies. All these colors are so pretty. This sheet is called the multi-journaling cards, but you can see we have a floral pattern on one side. And then this side are those journaling cards. And the secret garden bloomed and bloomed, and every morning revealed new miracles. I do believe something very magical can happen when you read a good book. In a field of roses, she is a wildflower. I like this one that says, right here, right now, there is nowhere else I'd rather be. A perfectly delightful day. Happiness blooms from within. Water it with gratitude. So these are really nice. This sheet is called Perfect Picks, and it's also another shade of like a bluish teal. And then on the back, we have a beautiful bouquet of flowers. This sheet is called Secret Garden Doors, and we've got this orangey yellow pattern, and then on the back we've got lots and lots of different size doors. This sheet is called Magic Journaling Cards. So we've got this beautiful floral design on one side, and then on the other side are different sizes of journaling cards. We've got The Story Begins, Choose Joy, Lovely Days, Love You Forever and Always, and I like this one. It's the moments we spend together that truly matter. And then the bottom one, I love that one too. Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. So I definitely will be using some of these on my layouts this month. This pink sheet is called Sweet Birds. And on the back, we've got some birds in pink and in blue and several flowers. Now we have the sheet that is called Growing Stems. So we've got green with some little starburst on this side. And then on the back, we've got just lots of different florals, and there are some butterflies mixed in there too. The next collection, there's also a few sheets from Echo Park Paper, and these are called It's Springtime, and this is the 4x6 journaling cards paper. So we've got some pretty cards on this side that you could cut apart. And then we have another sheet from Echo Park Paper from the It's Springtime collection, and this one is called the 3x4 journaling cards. So we have florals on one side, and then lots of 3x4 cut aparts on this side. Spring is here, happy spring, everything grows with love. When life gives you rain, jump in the puddles. Have a beautiful day. How does your garden grow? Live life in full bloom. So all of these papers, you get so many, and they're all so very pretty. Now let me flip back and open up. Oh, I forgot. We also receive a sketch. So every month in your kit, you receive a sketch, and on the 15th of the month, all of the designers will show you what we created. Now let's unbox the Sweet Garden Carta frames and tags. So I'm just going to flip through here and see if any of these stand out. Now most of these phrases I noticed either on the cut apart sheets or on the sticker sheet. So they all coordinate and mix and match together very well. I like these that have the extra insert and then you can punch out the frame. There's a couple little bitty birds, and there's a mushroom and the word smiles. A couple that are blank so that you could write a message or a date. And I really like that one that I passed through that said a beautiful day to remember. So super, super pretty. If you are not already a kit subscriber, I will have a link listed down below to the My Creative Scrapbook website, as well as our Facebook page where you can find lots of inspiration. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well, as I will be creating 4 layouts with this kit through the month of April. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!